We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. sitting sideways and slightly dropping towards the end of the day, going lower. And it wasn't the only stock pulling downwards. The overall market and the SPY did as well, and our SPY bot since 10 a.m. sent us out a bear indicator, and from that moment forward, put options 3 to 4x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and receiving the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to either direction. And you can join the members using it and maximizing on opportunities within the volatility and receiving the clarity and edge that they deserve as well. And we also have a Tesla bot that's going to release this week. As you can see it popping up this morning, it sent out a bear indicator as well, and you can see the chart how it performed, because put options were up 2 to 3x within minutes, guys. All of this is being released and giving us that edge to make the best out of the opportunities within the volatility. So here we are with Bbig stock, again sitting sideways, slightly pulling downwards at the end of the day. We're going to break it all down in today's video, but I'm going to share with you guys the opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the opportunities mentioned this morning turned out to give realistic expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. And we strive for opportunities like these every single day. So these are the 3 stocks I mentioned this morning, and every single one of them gave jumps of 3 to 5%, 5 to 10%, and even 10% plus at some of their highest points. But one of them turned out to perform the best out of the 3, and that was ATER. And this one was sitting sideways when we mentioned it in the pre-market within the volatility, started to pick up momentum here, got that bull indicator on Ultimate 42 Vision, and pushed up to a highest point of 15% plus in a matter of minutes, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Bbig stock, Vinco Ventures Inc. sitting slightly sideways and in a downward trend towards the end of the day, as I stated earlier in the video. Now, I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and also our new release of a Tesla bot coming this week. All of that to receive clarity and an edge over the volatility of the market to maximize on opportunities no matter which direction stocks go. And you can join the members receiving this edge and clarity as well, and maximizing within the volatility no matter which direction stocks are going. So here we are with Bbig stock. It was under a bull indicator yesterday, doing the full transition here from white with red borders to dark green, and then it completed it right there with that bright green. Now that's a full transition on 42 Vision. That bull indicator popped up at $3 and it hit highs here of 316. That was about a 5% move. Now the stock has been put under pressure in the bigger picture, and I stated that there's way too much volatility going on between these bull and bear indicators popping up next to each other as we see it. Now, in this video, we're going to talk about the bigger picture, and then we're going to break down some key levels here. I just removed the bull and bear indicators to talk about support and resistance, right? I want you guys to focus in on what's happening there and also see how this dip area completed its transition to the rip area. And that's the whole goal with 42 Vision, to be able to see the dips and the rips, and also when things are transitioning into weakness. And this was the dip area in the last few days, and some rips are smaller and some are larger, right? This was the dip area. this was the rip area. So it's not just about the bull and bear indicators, but if not, having the clarity to be able to see the trends and what's going on overall in the chart. Now I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision again. We are under a bear indicator here towards the end of the day within the volatility, but let's look at the 4 hour and the 1 day, how it's been impacted. So the 4 hour has been under a bear indicator since here at $3.05. We're slightly below that right now, and we hit lows today of about $2.97. Now, when we saw this going up here, I always stated in the videos that if this bear indicator does not get canceled out by a bull indicator, this is still dominating within the overall picture, and it's already canceled out the bull indicator from way down here at 219, 218. So this is very important to realize that this bear indicator, for as long as it stays there, no matter what goes on within the chart, whether it goes up, down, consolidates, if it does not get canceled out by a bull indicator in that process, this bear indicator is dominating the chart as we see it. So it's going to be super important to keep this in mind, and we're going to talk about supports and resistance in the 30-minute, but I also want to pull up here the 1 day, and this is actually slightly consolidating here, and if it could try to bring itself back up with actual momentum, it could actually pull up the 4 hour and the 30-minute with it, and the overall bigger picture has been under a bull indicator since down here at $2.33. No bear indicator has canceled it out just yet, but within that move, I mean, to the peak here of $3.40, that was about a 30 to 40% plus move. So super important to keep in mind that that was a big move as well. So right now it's trying to level off there, still under that bull indicator. If this transitions into a red bar or continues downwards and eventually a bear indicator pops up in the process, it's going to pull down the rest of the chart with it. Also, the 4 hour might be even more significant to the downside than we see it so far, because it is under a bear indicator as we see it. And then we have the 30-minute to actually watch and go ahead and pull up here what's going on within the volatility, right? So we're going to break down here the support and resistance levels that I'm watching going into tomorrow and the next few days. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the support levels, right? The first support level to keep in mind here is 291, 290, give or take. We definitely want to see this stay above that, and if it gets close to it, to bounce back above $3, right? We're currently at 299. That's going to be important moving forward, and if it breaks through 290, the next support is down here at 273. I think this is the most important support level here to let us know if there's still some strength within this area, or if we're going to retest newer lows once it breaks through it, and then we have to start talking about 250, 260 range and see how it does there, and if not, all the way back down towards the 230s. So that's going to be important going into the next few days, and also how it reacts to the downside, and if the shorts start putting pressure and the bears, and if the bulls get shaken out. That's going to be important. Now, to the upside, we definitely want to see this break above not just 315, but back up here above 320. If that is accomplished, form a staircase effect and bounce up towards way up here at 340. We definitely want to see that happen, because those are the highest levels, and it's rejected multiple times, nearly 4 times every time it's been above 340, and we want to see this get above it to then work its way up to $4, which is more significant than any of the numbers that we see right now here in the charts. If you guys want to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 Vision indicator, getting connected over to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and we're also going to release this week a Tesla bot, and this is all now something you can gain access to receive clarity and have that edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down, and you can join the members using it and maximizing within the volatility, receiving the clarity and edge that they deserve and you deserve. Join us. We look forward to having you join us. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.